Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We have new glitches and we have overages. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Definitely go ahead and clip your file off 25 for this Saturday. I know you're not seeing mine on the screen here, but the website gave me a lot of trouble this morning, so definitely go ahead and clip your file off 25. And also, if you guys will notice, we have cashback offers showing up on the website now, so that is something new. I know that there's a few of y'all out there who strictly just use the website. You don't use the DG app, so that is good news for you guys. And we do have a lot of really good offers, so definitely go ahead and clip your cashback offers, and we'll go over those later on this week. All right, we did receive a new 2 off 9 digital coupon for the Nabisco cookies. That one showed up yesterday, so hopefully you guys got in on that glitch where you were getting 3 Chips Ahoy cookies for $6. Next up, we have this 2 off 10 for the Mars Wrigley candy, and this coupon is working on the Halloween candy, which right now is on clearance. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 2 for the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. Those right now are 2 for $13, so after the coupon, you're paying $10 for 2. All right, next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. Now, we have not had a high value coupon like this one in a while for Colgate. This one is working on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're paying $1. We have our 3 off 1 for our Gain, 150 off 1 for Tide. We have some older coupons that we talked about last week. 1 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're paying $3.50. We have a 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. If you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon you're paying $2.50. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon you're paying $4. And keep in mind, we do still have that instant savings for when you spend 15 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save 3 at the register. We have a new 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're paying $4.50. We have a new buy one get one free for the Airwick products. So there's 3 price points on these: $6.25, $7, and $12. This coupon is working on all of them, so if you pick up 2 at $6.25, you're going to pay $6.25 for 2, $7 for 2, $12 for 2. This coupon may glitch. I have not tried it at the registry yet. The last time that we had this coupon, you could ring up one of the $7 Airwicks and then one of the $6.25 Airwicks, and it would take off the $7. Now, I also had people reporting that the same thing would work with the $12 Airwick refills, but I could not personally get that one to work. So either way, make sure that you clip this coupon. We'll try out a few things at the registers and see what's going on with it this time. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy. These are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're paying $4.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Lysol wipes. 3 off 1 for the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're paying $2. This coupon is also glitching and working on the charcoal toothbrushes. So those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're paying just 35 cents. So great filler item for Saturday. But be aware, we do have lower value coupons like this one right here, 50 cents off 1 for the Colgate toothbrush. We do not want to clip that one to our accounts. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Cottonelle. These are priced at $5.25. After the coupon, you're paying $3.25. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Gain Easy Squeeze. Those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're paying $1.50. All right, next up, 50 cents off 1 for the Suave deodorants. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the 1.2 ounce deodorants. Those are priced at $1.35. After the coupon, you're paying 85 cents. All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Robitussin. If you want to pick up the 10 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. We also have a 75 cent off 1 for the Tums product. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the 24 count. Those are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're paying $2.20. And moving on down here, we do have a new 75 cent off 1 for the Johnson & Destin's products. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the travel size shampoo. Those are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're paying $1.25. Here we have a new 4 off 1 for the Friskies 12-pound bags or larger. And keep in mind, we still have that 5 off 25 on the Friskies products. Alright, we're going to skip over a few of these, but I will be clipping them to my account. Next up, we have a 50-cent off one for the Huggies wipes. These are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2. It's just hard for me sometimes to clip all of these while I'm making this video because it will jump to the next screen, and I don't want it to do that. So definitely go ahead and clip all of these to your account. Be aware of the secret coupons. We talked about that one last week. There's a lot of them, and there are higher value and lower value coupons. We have some new Swiffer products. We have Family Guard Vivarian, some pull-ups. We have another 2 off 10 for the Mars candy. We have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health Children's Pain Relief. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're paying $3.50. 1 off 1 for the Dove, Axe, and Degree deodorants. So this coupon is glitching. If you want to pick up the 2-pack of 1.6 ounce Dove women's deodorants, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're paying $3.50, and that is on a 2-pack. If you want to pick up the Degree deodorants, 1.7 ounce, those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're paying $1.65. And if you want to pick up the Axe 1.7 ounce, those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're paying $2. Here's another pretty good deal on the Oh Good gummy vitamins. So these are priced at $4 this week. After the coupon, you're paying $3. Alright, next up, we also received a 5 off 15 for the All Snuggle and Purex products. We have a 2 off 1 for our Maybelline products. This coupon is working on the 2-count eyeliner pencils. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we have a 1 off 1 for our Rexall melatonin. Those start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. We did receive a new 3 off 10 for the Believe Beauty products and a 5 off 20 for our Gain products. Now, also, I want you guys to check your accounts because not all accounts received this coupon, but some accounts did receive a new 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Always Discreet products. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the 26-count liners that are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free if you're at a new register store. If you're at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. So, double check all of your accounts. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I do want to thank you all for your well wishes and for your prayers. It is very rare that I get sick, but when I do get sick, it knocks me on my tail. And whatever this is that I'm battling right now, it's knocking me on my tail. I'll get a little bit of energy for a little bit, and then I'm right back in the bed. So, again, not quite sure what it is. It's not the you-know-what, because I did take a test for that, so we're all free and clear on that front. But anyways, y'all just bear with me, and again, thank you all for your well wishes and for your prayers. It really does mean the world to me. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things because you know your girl's still going to be working as much as I possibly can. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.